Okay, so I'm currently doing my makeup very quickly. Excuse me, this is the first words I said today. I have a coffee here and I'm feeling a little bit jittery. I don't know what it is. I actually have a little interview later, so maybe that's why I'm a little jittery. But we have a lot to do today. This is Friday. I'm supposed to upload a YouTube video. I'm working on the self-care vlog and I only just started yesterday, so I'm going to have to power up and get this done today, hopefully. If not, it's okay if I upload it tomorrow, but I just really want to get back on being consistent. I'm going to finish my makeup. Also, wait, how cute is that? I showed you guys in the last vlog that you saw, the self-care one. It is a Hello Kitty sweater. It is so cute. I'll give you an outfit of the day later, but for now I'm just going to finish my makeup. I'm done. I am all ready. I put on some hoops earrings to just, you know, make the outfit look a little bit more dressed up than just casual, you know, because it's like a very casual one. I'm going to give you an outfit of the day in a second. But yeah, as I said, it's gonna be a productive day today, hopefully. It's very gloomy outside, but I just need to go out later for like errands and grocery shopping. Yeah, lots to do. So I have a lot to do today, content wise. I need to edit my YouTube video, the self-care vlog. Then I have to edit some short content and film more short content because I'm running out of clips. I always like pre-film or batch film content for like outfits and stuff, but lately I've been really lazy and not feeling like, you know, changing and just taking outfit videos, which is the whole thing that I do on Instagram and on short content. So I need to do that, and I have a meeting or like an interview at 11, and after this, oh, I actually have to make a phone call as well this morning. And then I am going to go grocery shopping. We are lacking a few things like eggs and milk, like basically things for breakfast and for snacking. Guys, this coffee that I have been drinking is so strong because like, and that's maybe why I get jittery. I have to use 2 pods instead of 1 because we had to change something in the coffee machine that makes it like, anyways, it's very technical, but basically if you use only 1 pod you get a very watery coffee and it tastes horrible, you guys. It is so disgusting. I hate it. But if you use 2, it's better, but it's very caffeinated. And I use 2 and I make myself a long coffee that I dilute, or not dilute, but I add a little bit of milk, but it gives you that very strong coffee that I've been drinking lately. And so yeah, that might be why I'm jittery. Anyway, okay, I'm going to apply some lip gloss, and because I just realized that my makeup wasn't finished, I use this lip gloss by Maybelline. It's the Lifter Gloss, and it has some hyaluronic acid as well in it, and yeah, it's very moisturizing. I love it. And it's the shade number 5, Petal. It's the cutest shade if you are brunette, especially, or I feel like it wouldn't really matter, but especially on brunette, I feel like this color, I can't shut up about it, but since I got my color analysis, this is the perfect color for me for my lips. So okay, and then I like to just tap it down like that. Just tap it like this because it makes it look a little bit more natural and like rosy. And I'm going to use this hand cream that was a gift for my birthday from my friend. It's the Bare Vanilla hand cream, and it smells so good. My boyfriend doesn't like the smell because it smells like sugary and cakey, and he doesn't like that. So, but I love it. So I'm going to stop procrastinating by talking to you guys and actually start editing. I was watching a vlog from Remy I don't know if you probably know Ram's life vlogs, and she's going to Korea, and I'm so excited because I love their vlogs, like hers and Alicia's vlogs in Korea, like, or Japan. Like, they're so cute. I'm going to make that phone call and then start editing. Okay, if you have something you have been procrastinating and you're watching my video right now, let the video play while we both do that thing we are procrastinating. Okay, cheers. Show you my outfit today. So this is the sweater that you guys saw from Primark. It's the collection with Hello Kitty. So cute. Let me just do a little close up. It's like a very cute little sweater, very preppy. I love it. And then I have a pair of jeans, and I love that I love that the socks match the color of this red. So it's so cute. Okay guys, 2 things down, 1 left to do. I just need to edit my YouTube video. We are here because it is the end of the month, but also the start of a new season. I have my notebook here because I want to take physical notes beforehand, because I have so many thoughts and ideas in my head right now that I think the best thing we can do is to write everything down. So I'm gonna be tracking my expenses this month and also planning a little bit more for my budget next month. Something else is seeing where I'm at with my goals currently. I feel like I could be progressing a little faster on my goals. I'm gonna see where I'm not progressing that much and see why, and maybe establish a new plan of action. Let's take some notes now. I'm going to do little bullets because I love being able to, you know, check them afterwards. So declutter. But what are we gonna declutter? We have to be specific, because if you don't have a specific plan, it's gonna seem too big to achieve. So I'm going to do little arrows, and I know that I've been meaning to declutter my beauty products. So do I need to declutter my clothes, like the wardrobe? I feel like it's fine. Maybe accessories. Everything like arts and crafts I already did, and I feel like I didn't get that many things since last year, so we're fine. Like digital decluttering is also a thing, so if you're someone who's a lot on your computer, on your phone, maybe it's like your work, like I do YouTube and content creation. So obviously my laptop, it's always not really a mess, but there's always things to tidy up, you know. So let's say digital. It could also be like people you are following on Instagram that aren't inspiring you anymore, or like on YouTube, maybe it's like episodes you saved on Spotify, like podcast episodes. Also your camera roll, because we all have a lot of pictures that we keep but we know we don't need, but it's just in case, but you know you won't need it. So when I hear spring reset, I obviously hear cleaning. Same thing here, I'm going to go with arrows. I know I've been meaning to clean my desk, the bathroom also, and then everything else is pretty clean. So now for something a little bit more specific, I really need to get rid of the ton of clothes that I have back in like the other closet, because I got rid of them last year when I decluttered my whole wardrobe, and it's just sitting there, and I really want to put them on sale. These are like the 3 big things I really want to do this spring. Now for the more fun part. I want to make a spring bucket list and vision board, as I do for my favorite seasons, which means fall and spring basically. But let's say make a bullet list plus vision board. Also, I really wanted to change my phone theme. I want something a little bit more like spring vibes. Okay, I think we have a pretty good list. in the living room, and I think this is where I'm going to set my study station, because it's like very much more like a desk, and like it's separate from my actual setup, so that way when I'm done with work at my desk I can just come here and it's like a new environment. I just want to, you know, put everything nice and clean. I don't want it to look cluttered, and kind of like decorate it a little bit so that way it feels a little bit more inviting, you know. Let's do that. Obviously going to listen to a podcast at the same time because the girlies have been dropping some amazing content lately. So today is Friday. I just got my Pilates done, and I'm gonna be so honest with you guys, I don't know what it is. I'm trying so hard to motivate myself this morning. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the weather, I don't know, but lately I've been feeling so unmotivated, and it doesn't help that I've been out of my routine and only just now jumping back into it. And also my favorite YouTubers haven't been posting the productive, the motivation, and I don't know where to get that from. I am wearing the whiskey set, you guys. It is so cute. It's like a cute little baby pink, and this one just crosses at the back. It's so adorable. I love this design so much. Anyways, so today I need to motivate myself because I have quite a lot to do. First is doing like resetting my entire setup. I planned on doing like a setup makeover kind of vlog, but I cannot wait any longer. I will probably just do that throughout the vlogs and not dedicate one video for a setup, because personally I love when people just vlog how they decorate their place and stuff like that, like not just a video of how to decorate it. I don't know. Less chit chat, more doing. Let's go. I'm going to play a podcast, and I think I'm actually going to do this before I shower. I'm done with the desk part, which I'm super happy about. Okay, so this is the desk and it's so cute, but I think I should move this over there because it's lacking something here, like a little bit of color. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be better if I put it here. It's so much better like this. So yeah, I just need to clean the mat, and yeah, that will be it for this part here. Now I have to move to these, which is gonna be a little difficult because this I really want it out, and I need to go to IKEA to get a new organizer thingy. I don't know actually, like, no, yeah, I think I'm gonna just wipe this the ladder because I really like how it's decorated. Oh, I need to remove the fairy lights.